No signal, TV code B001 on your TV or unable to view channels? Worry not. Here's how you can troubleshoot and raise a ticket with the Airtel Thanks app. Open your Airtel Thanks app. This is your home screen. Click on the Help option located on the bottom right of your screen. On the Help screen, click on Chat Now. Click on Network-related issue. Select Unable to view channels and select the error code displayed on your TV screen. You can also select the Type button to chat with the bot and write down your concern. Now, select TV code B001, no signal. Our chat bot will help troubleshoot and resolve the issue. For example, restarting your Airtel set-top box or checking the cables. If required, a ticket will be raised immediately and our team will reach out to you accordingly. Find answers to all your queries on a single platform with Airtel Cares. We are here to help.